In the year of our Lord, 903, lived a warlord as sexy as a man can be. With a beard like a forest and a heart made of gold. Ryan MotherF-ing Baarz, or so we are told. He crushed your skull kindly, then bake you a tart. A tactical genius with a sensitive heart. The aliens watch from a ship in the sky. They whisper this hunk is too rare to just die. They zapped him with lasers through rift in the sun and dumped him in Vegas just for the fun. Oh, Ryan MotherF-ing Baarz, he fell from the heavens. He came from the stars with a beard full of lightning and a soul on fire. The man, every Viking, alien desire. From them further north to 2025, the sexiest warlord to ever fight. He woke in the desert where the red rocks glow, in southern Utah where the tumbleweeds blow. He found a small cub just to puff all the fur, raised it on protein and a warrior's purr. He named him the Coug, a beast of the land, who take down a grizzly with a flick of a hand. Then he met a great eagle, 12 cubits wide. They soar the canyons with Ryan astride, fighting the heat and the cactus and sand, helping the wild lie across the land. Oh, Ryan MotherF-ing Baarz, he fell from the heavens. He came from the stars with a beard full of lightning and a soul like a fire. The man, every cougar, an eagle desires. From the cliffs and the rocks to 20, sexiest warlord, the sexiest warlord to ever survive. Fate is a trickster and the desert is wide. They flew over Mead on a shimmering tide. The winds of a phantom storm blew them off track, and the trio got stranded with no way to get back. 8 years on an island, just dirt and some weeds. Ryan MotherF-ing Baarz had some mouths he had to feed. Eric the Coug lost a stiff mountain weight, while Ryan grew lean. It was written by fate. They looked like a shadow, they looked like a ghost. 8 miles of water till they hit the main coast. Oh, Ryan MotherF-ing Baarz, he fell from the heavens. He came from the stars with a beard full of lightning and a soul like a fire. The man, every cougar, and an eagle desire. From the island in a lake to 2020, the sexiest warlord to ever survive. Then Ryan looked down at a great white shark and said, "Listen here, fish, it's getting quite dark. We're sexy, we're hungry, and we need a ride." The shark felt his aura and opened up wide, not to eat him, but to offer a feed. Ryan hopped on with a warrior's grin. He whistled for Eric, who jumped on the tail, surfing a shark like a maritime rail. Then he glided through Mead on a great white's back, leaving a glorious shimmering track. Back to the red rocks, to the dust and the sun. The saga of Baarz has